The hunt for the coronavirus vaccine is already underway, but not everyone is holding their breath. I spoke to a pediatrician and a family rights activist in San Angelo to hear more about the vaccine debate.
You know, lots of people will say, especially online, like, vaccinate your kids. And it's like, well, I did. And I've seen the effects of vaccine injury on my friends' children. And so it's not just about being anti-vaccine. It's saying that I've been there.
Mom and activist Sarah Newsom considers herself an ex-vaxxer rather than an anti-vaxxer. Her whole philosophy comes down to medical freedom, saying that parents, not legislature, should be able to decide what goes into their children's bodies.
The CDC wants to make sure that we have something that's both safe and effective. So unless both of those things are met, then we can't have a widespread vaccine.
Sarah Hoffman is a pediatrician with West Texas Medical Associates in San Angelo, a mother and a supporter of vaccines. She explains that they are a way to protect immune systems against invaders that make us sick. Vaccines contain antigens. Antigens carry small amounts of disease that are foreign to our body. Although it's a very small amount, it's just enough to create antibodies, which build immunity. This ensures that when you come into contact with that particular disease again, your body knows how to fight it.
Very rarely do we see serious side effects. And so while I understand some of the fears, unfortunately, some of the risks of some of these diseases outweigh the risk of a possible minor reaction to a vaccine.
Newsom, however, says that vaccine injury is real and more prevalent than many people will admit. She references a Harvard study that says less than 1% of vaccine injury actually gets reported to what's called the Vaccine Adverse Event Recording System, a program that is co-managed by the Centers for Disease Control and Food Drug Administration. As for the coronavirus, Newsom is pushing for alternative methods.
People are completely ignoring the hydroxychloroquine. Doctors are reporting amazing success and safety with that drug. Why would we not take something that's that safe but take a vaccine instead, which has already skipped animal trials?
Dr. Hoffman says that vaccines not only protect your children or anyone else who gets them, but also cultivate a herd community, which protects our society from well-established diseases like measles, polio, and meningitis. Despite the difference of opinions, both mothers agree that a coronavirus vaccine is a long ways off, and it is highly unlikely that it will become mandated.
Whatever you believe about vaccines, it's a very slippery slope to say that they should be mandated, because you cannot mandate something that's not 100% safe.
It would be really hard to have a mandatory vaccine. I mean, even with our vaccines that we offer now, the most of the school systems encourage them, but you can't force somebody to take something that they refuse.
Additionally, they both encourage you to take research into your own hands and don't be afraid to ask questions. Dr. Hoffman says that vaccines have continued to improve over the years, but Newsom says there's other science to consider. For Fox West Texas, I'm Sydney Timmer.